Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making beef fried rice. So to begin, I have my beef, garlic and ginger paste, green onions, yellow bell pepper, 4 eggs, half onion, seasoning, soy sauce. So I have scallions, I have salt in here, and then I have my jasmine rice. So this is a very fatty rice, okay? So that's what I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using jasmine rice. So let's go ahead and start, guys. So to begin, put some oil in the pan. I'm going to come in here with the 4 eggs. So guys, this egg is ready. So I'm going to go into my wok pan with some vegetable oil. Okay. Come in here with onion. Come in here with the beef. Ginger and garlic paste. Seasoning. Scallion. Some pepper. Some yellow bell peppers. A little pinch of salt. And now that the pan is dry, there's no liquid in the pan, I'll come here with more vegetable oil. So I'm going to come in with my jasmine rice. So guys, I'm going to come here with a little bit of soy sauce. I'm going to come here with the egg. So I'm going to come here with the green onions. And so guys, there you go. This beef fried rice is ready. So that's ready. There you have it guys. Your delicious and very easy to make beef fried rice is ready. So delicious. Thank you so much guys for sticking with me to the end. Do have yourself a very blessed week. Bye bye. Delicious.